Latest chika, Tito A may tinimbog sa Donbell. Said niya, their relationship is not forced, nor rash, slowly and surely. They themselves say that it is a slow burn. The mere fact they talk about it rebels the relationship. It's deeper than DPS. So they protect what they have. Sa mga interviews nila, di ba, kitang-kita niyo naman, narinig niyo naman, they are not directly confirming anything, but they are actually revealing everything. I mean, kung di niyo na-gets, ewan ko na lang.